Hello, in this video I want to show you how to sort cells by colors in Google Sheets. To do this, first we'll need to have something like I have right here. So there's the title, colors, then there's the different cells with different colors, and we want, for example, red one next to the red one, violet next to the violet, and etc. To do that, we'll need to select it from the title, then click and hold shift and pick the last cell available. Now we can navigate to the data, create the filter, then click on the filter sign next to the title, and then sort by color, fill color purple. Now the purple one should appear on top. Then we can go and do the rest for the rest of the colors, and it should go like this. And that way you'll be able to filter them by the colors. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.